Let the world know. She's such a pretty woman.
Hey y'all, back with another video. It's been forever since I posted the camping video. Anyway, today is Thanksgiving Eve. You already know everybody's about to chow down tomorrow. I'm about to chow down tomorrow. But as per usual, I wait till the last minute to go to the store and, you know, get the necessities I need. Oh Lord. Get the necessities I need to make the stuff I'm supposed to bring to my cousins for Thanksgiving. So I need to get all the ingredients for the candy yams, because I'm supposed to be making candy yams because they bomb, they fire, better than your grandmother's. And I need to get stuff for mac and cheese. So it's like 8 o'clock right now, and I'm trying to get in there before I gotta like wreck somebody's grandmother, because them old people, they mean now, and I don't have time to be fighting over cinnamon and nutmeg. But anyway, let me go up in this grocery store. Well, try to get there first, and I'll talk to y'all. Bye. Hey y'all, so I went to the store. I went to the grocery store and a Dollar Tree, got everything I needed up and early. And now I'm in Starbucks line. I didn't want to take, I didn't have the energy, I guess, to take y'all in there, because I was trying to get in and out. I got the stuff for the yams and for the mac and cheese. The cheese, I was getting a little skimp, so I mean, by the time I post this, Thanksgiving would be already passed. But yeah, I don't know why I wait till last minute. But now I'm hungry, and today is just gonna be a get ready for the holidays. I'm probably gonna do some Christmas decor shopping, because I always do and I haven't gotten to it yet. Oh, and I wanted a white a flocked Christmas tree, like the white Christmas tree that looks like it has snow on it. But them trees be costing an arm and a leg, so I bought the spray to do it myself. So we gonna see how that comes out too. I'm supposed to be linking with some friends, might get some food, or go to this hockey game, but I don't know yet. Anyway, I'm hungry, and it's clearly a long line, people trying to get their errands done. But anyway, I'll holla at y'all. Y'all, I'm like, where would I put this? Of course in my kitchen, but like, it may mess up my color scheme. I like it. It's stained. Alright, let's see what else I got. Because so far, those two things. I do need shot glasses, but let's stick to Christmas decor today. It's full in here. This is what I'm talking about. It's really stocked in here, so let me get busy. Oh, I like this. Where would I put this though? How much is it? $15? I'd rather get some real poinsettias, but let's keep going. I think I have enough trees at the house. This is pretty. Let's see. It's probably gonna cost me $40. Sheesh. But I do like it. It's going on a cart. He look a little scary though. How much are you? 25. Nah. Yo, I used to be obsessed with Scooby-Doo when I was younger. I don't even know what this is, but I don't know why my voice is raspy, but I used to love me some Scooby-Doo. Anyway, let me try to find something else. I think I actually want to put this back, because I mean, it doesn't really go with what I'm trying to do in my kitchen. I want to do like a little hot chocolate station in the kitchen on one of like the countertops. So I'm trying to find that. And if they don't have it, I have to go somewhere else. So hopefully I find it. Let's get some pillows. This is cute. If I'm doing white and green. That TJ Maxx really didn't have a lot. So, well, y'all saw what I got. Like 3 things: the liquor stones, the plant, well, the fake plant, and the what the fuck else I get? I don't know. Y'all saw it. But there's a Home Sense right next to it, but I've never been able to find anything in Home Sense really, and it's kind of expensive. But there's a Target over here, so I think my ass is about to go to Target for the one time, because I want to hear like probably like a week ago, and they had a lot of nice stuff in the front. You know how Target be having them $5 deal bins and shit like that. They had some nice stuff in there, but I'm not gonna hold you. I got a lot of stuff last year and I don't know what I have. Like, I was skeptical. I didn't buy that pillow that y'all saw. Do I have pillows? Like, I really don't remember if I bought Christmas pillows last year. So I think for the kitchen I'm gonna do green and white. I like white with Christmas snowy. It's just pristine in the house. So I do like a winter wonderland. So, oh, I'm gonna do a decorate with me. I might add this in here because I like to put up my decorations hella early so I can enjoy them longer. But damn, Target already packed. But when is Target not packed? Oh, I'm about to back into this bitch right here. But, oh Lord, do y'all use your backup camera? I don't give a damn. It's in the car for a reason. People be joking, other people talking about, oh, you use your backup camera? Why is it here? Damn, it's a tight ass spot though. Sheesh. I get that from Nate doing that little sheesh thing. This is cute too, but I'm not doing black. These are plain Jane. Not feeling it. Oh, here's some green. How much this little thing is? $5. Boom. Hold on. This one a little smushed up. Oh. They all messed up. I ain't getting them. Is this too big? Yeah, I think this is too big for the counter though. I'm gonna take up hella space. Oh, and this is cute. To mark off the days, and I think it has like a little magnet. Yeah, it has a little magnet on it. I'm actually gonna use it though. That is the question. Let me put this back. It was cute though. I know myself. I'm gonna forget what day it is. Santa, stop here. I'm doing a bathroom Grinch for my son, so that would be cool. Do y'all think 2 boxes of the 50 minis is enough? I don't think it's going to be enough. I probably should get one more box, to be honest with y'all. I don't know. I'm gonna get that box and see how it goes. But these like $25 because they're solar. But oh, this is pretty. These little things. Anyway, hopefully one of my guy friends can come help put this shit up. So we open a shelf for the first year before my son get too old. But yeah, I've always wanted to do it. So let's see what mischief Mr. Elf is about to get into. My son's gonna be like, what? But okay. New tradition. Boom. Made it to get something to eat. And yeah, I'm about to chow down, get a drink and some food. And I'll talk to y'all soon. Hey y'all. So as y'all can see, I'm home. I need to take down all the fall decor shit. And I need more bins because I keep buying a lot of decor and not having no storage. So, oh, I told y'all that I got bags, Lord. I stayed up. I told y'all I was watching oh, let me not do that. I told you I was watching from scratch. Anyway, here's the stuff. The flocking spray. I ordered it off of Amazon. It came with a box of 4. So I'm about to go get my Christmas tree. Actually, that can come with me. Get my Christmas tree out the hallway closets. And I think I'm gonna do it outside because I read like it is John messy. So don't look in there, y'all. I need to organize this shit. Let me take this out because this is embarrassing. Bye. Okay, so here's the tree. I don't have a big ass tree because I'm in an apartment. So let me put this joker together. And y'all. Bominos. So yeah, y'all. So I didn't flock it. I just put the shit up. So I did as much straightening as I fucking could, and my shit's still bony. Why is it fucking leaning? This the tree I had last year that I was gonna send back, but I got lazy. Anyway, so we about to flock this shit and hope it comes out good. Like, look, it is mad, it is leaning. Maybe it's snow. Yeah, it's fake snow. This shit, is it leaning? This shit is bony. It's like what the fuck is that? Peanuts.
Oh no, no, ain't that bony.
It's what am I talking about? The Snoopy tree, the whatchamacallit tree. Like up here looks, I mean, it was bony last year, but when I put a whole bunch of shit on it, it don't look as bony. But it's tilting. Like, look at this tree. Hopefully this snow shit helps. But yeah, I'm about to put y'all back on the tripod so we can get this shit started. But he knows the routine. Everybody knows the routine when they come in my spot. Shot o'clock.
You say?
Do see, baby. See? See?
You know that routine.
Because we usually do Tito's or Casamigos, but guess what? Yesterday, I was feeling a little saucy and I wanted something dark. So we about to take a shot and we're doing this shit outside because I'm not about to clean it up in here.
Outside.
My vacuum cleaner just broke too, so hell no. So, anyway, bye. We got them poured. Sir, he going on my tree. Because the top part is leaning, but I'm trying to get to business. Oh, God, you sniffing it.
I already do say in a minute. I gotta remember how it smells like.
I don't know why he does this.
Okay, we get it.
Boop. Okay, these damn instructions. Shake well. Used to highlight the tips. Some. Easy to apply, easy to clean up, the environmental friendly. Boom. I got this.
Look at that. Environmental friendly. Look at that.
Should I start from the top or the bottom? I'm stopping the top.
Yeah, start from the top.
Uh-oh. You gonna stand right there?
Oh, yeah.
He wanna get snow. Alright, let me see. Let me touch him. Ooh.
They do anything?
Wait, scoop.
Yeah, it was that, like,
Oh, that looks good. That looks good.
trying to see my head though. Hey yo.
Is it recording now?
It is recorded.
Thicken some parts. I think. Damn, what the?
Hey yo.
You did that shit.
Hey, you got this. Hey yo, see? Try to give me out of character.
Hey, yo, the Philly about to come out.
So yeah, it's about to come out.
Hey, y'all. It's like the next day. I hope everybody had bomb ass Thanksgiving. You ate well and you spent time with family and friends. So it's Black Friday shopping. Well, Black Friday, I'm about to go shopping. I'm at outlets somewhere in where? I don't even know where. Clarksburg. And I'm about to go spend some money because that's what you do. I want to try to get people their gifts, but I don't know. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, we about to go up in there. Catch y'all soon. Got the food. It's packed as usual. But yeah, trying to get into the Nike factory line.
Definitely trying to get some Nike outlet. That's on line long as hell.
Hey y'all, back with another video. Well, not really. This is a closing to the last couple days, segments, whatever. I learned that I need to, like, when I'm recording, to like finish it in that day, because then I'll drag it on and on and on and on and on and on. On and on and on. But anyway, back on track, Brittany. Anyway, if you stayed to the end of this video, I appreciate you. Stay tuned for more vlogs. I feel like I'm gonna do a 12 days of Vlogmas. I can't do vlogging every day. So I got a couple of fun activities coming up, fire, and I think I'm booking my first solo trip. So I'll let y'all know about the details about that. But actually, y'all gonna see the same fit in the next video because I'm about to go do some errands and stuff. But yeah, just wanted to cut this video off and talk to y'all soon.